Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review AutoZone Honest. AutoZone is one of the largest and most well-known auto parts retailers in the US, and for good reason. They offer a wide range of car parts, tools, and accessories for all types of vehicles, whether you're doing a quick fix or a major repair. Their stores are located almost everywhere, and their website makes it easy to order online with options for in-store pickup or delivery. One thing that stands out is their helpful in-store services. You can get your battery tested, check engine light diagnosed, or even borrow specialty tools through their Loan A Tool program, all at no extra cost. Their staff is generally knowledgeable and ready to help you find the right part, although experiences can vary depending on location. Prices are reasonable, and they often have promotions or reward programs that help you save more in the long run. Whether you're DIYer or just looking for a quick replacement part, AutoZone is a dependable and accessible choice. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.